Hello everyone, welcome to the series of tips and tricks at Mathgenation. Our today's question is about an arithmetic equation in which we are having an unknown variable x and we have to solve this equation. Before solving this equation, you have to first know the rule which we have to use to solve any arithmetic equation in mathematics. So here we are given an arithmetic equation for which we are given four available options and we have to choose the right one for this equation. And the rule of solving any arithmetic equation or expression in mathematics, the rule is, I am sure you already heard this one, and if not, you can learn in this video. So the rule to solve any arithmetic expression or equation in mathematics is these two. Actually, these two are the same rules. The only difference is the labeling or naming convention. So what these rules are and how we can use, let's see. The first rule is BODMAS. BODMAS says whenever you are solving any arithmetic equation or expression, you have to solve bracket if they are present in the expression first. After the bracket, you have to solve exponent, i.e. order, i.e. powers, if they are present in the equation or expression. After that, you have to do division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction operation in that order. The PEMDAS rule is exactly the same as BODMAS. The only thing is, as I already said, the labeling convention. The P is for parenthesis, so you have to solve parenthesis first, PEMDAS says. Then it says solve exponent I powers in the second, and then multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction in that order. So you can see both rules are same. The only difference is that BODMAS says do division first and then multiplication. PEMDAS says do multiplication and then division second. Actually, multiplication and division have the same level of preferences. So multiplication and division, both operation have same level of preference. What does it mean that same level of preference? It means you can solve whatever you want first, right? So it's up to you. If there is a tie between multiplication and division, you can do whatever you want first, right? In general, we are since solving like an standardized technique in which we are using BODMAS or PEMDAS and going from left to right. So whatever comes first from going left to right, do that, right? So multiplication comes first, do multiplication. If division comes first, do division. Otherwise, it's up to you. Whatever you want to do first, you can do. But the main thing is you have to follow the BODMAS rule if there is no tie between multiplication and division. Now, let's see our question and solve it using the BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. So we have equation 2x plus 8 multiply by 3 divided by 12 minus 2 equals 4. And we have to solve this equation. And to solve this equation means we have to find the value of x. So let's go from left to right. You can see we have 2x. So 2x remains as it is. So 2x means 2 is multiplying with x. Here there is no sign. So 2 and x in between these two, there is no sign. We saw if these thing is in the expression or equation, we are saying that it is actually implied multiplication. Implied multiplication means there is no sign of multiplication, but it is understood that if there is no sign between two things, two variables, two numbers, so there is a multiplication in between them. So it is called implied multiplication. So 2x remains as it is, i.e. 2 multiplied by x remains as it is. We cannot multiply them because 2 is a number, x is a variable, so they remain as it is. Plus, then we have, so we didn't do plus, right? We have to first do the multiplication or division according to BODMAS. So from going left to right, we see that we have multiplication, so we can do multiplication. 8 multiplied by 3 gives you 24. Divided by 12 minus 2 is equal to 4, remains as it is. Now we have 2x plus 24 divided by 2. According to BODMAS rule, we have to division. So 24 divided by 12 gives you 2, minus 2 is equal to 4. Now minus 2 and plus 2 will cancel out and gives you 0. So we got 2x equals 4. So 2 is multiplying with x. So we can take it from the right hand side. So it divides with the 4 and it gives x equals 2. It means our answer is x equals 2, which is option A in our question. So part A is our right answer. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot about the BODMAS and PEMDAS thing and how to solve an equation and find the solution of an unknown variable. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel Mathgenation so you can learn more mathematical concepts and mathematical things in our channel. Until the next video, bye bye.